I know what you're thinking. Is this guy really telling me to shampoo my grass? Yes. Shampooing your grass is going to help your roots during this hot weather. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to DIY Reed. My name is Reed, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. In this video, we're going to be talking about how baby shampoo helps your lawn. I live in Kansas City, and our summers are very hot and humid. Well, normally they are. Very little rain, hot, and humid. They say it's not the heat that kills you, it's the humidity, right? When there isn't much rain, your lawn tends to go hydrophobic. This also could happen when your lawn is waking up from the winter season. So why are we putting baby shampoo on the lawn? Well, we're doing it in this case because the baby shampoo is acting as a wetting agent, and it's going to break the surface tension of the water and basically make it slicker and allow the water to get deeper faster. I have these little areas in my lawn that seem to not take much water. For whatever reason, no matter how much water I put down, these little areas in my lawn always seem to be a little bit browner or a little bit less green than others. So what we're going to do is get the baby shampoo to the soil and get it reacting to water again. The baby shampoo is going to help get water down into the soil instead of the soil repelling it. This is also going to help you out in areas that have little puddles when it rains a lot. A lot of water tends to build up, and this is going to help get that water off the surface and get it down deeper into the roots. It's also not a bad idea just to get baby shampoo down on your whole lawn, as it'll help there too. So in order for us to get the baby shampoo into the lawn, well, we're not going to just dump the baby shampoo directly into the lawn. But what we're going to do is we're going to get one of these ortho dial-in sprays. It's a hose-in attachment, and it hooks up to the hose, and what we're going to do is mix the baby shampoo in it. You can pick these up at your local Home Depot or Lowe's, but if you're lazy like me and you want it at your doorstep in the same day or next day air, I'll leave a link in the description below for you to check out. In order to use this, we need to know how much area we're going to spray, as well as how much baby shampoo to put in. I have an 8,000 square foot lawn, and I'm going to have to refill this multiple times. However, if you have a smaller lawn, you may be able to get by filling it once. What you're wanting to do is fill it for 3 to 4 ounces of baby shampoo per 1,000 square foot. So let's do the math here. If you want to cover up to 2,000 square feet, what you're going to do is fill this up 6 to 8 ounces of baby shampoo. Then what you're going to do is fill the rest with water. Once it's full of shampoo and water, we're ready to hook it up to the hose and spray it. Now I want to mention, this doesn't have to be perfect. If you're a bit under or a little over on the baby shampoo, or maybe even a little bit more than a little bit over, it's not going to harm your lawn. It's not an exact science. This will also last about 3 weeks or so. Now, this ortho dial-in spray has a dial on there, has a bunch of different settings on it. For example, 1 ounce is going to get about 4 ounces per 1,000 square feet down. If you turn it to 2 ounces, it's going to put about 6 ounces per 1,000 square feet. All it's doing is regulating how quickly the soap comes out. So if you're walking at a faster pace, then the dial needs to be up a little higher. If you're walking at a slower pace, you might want to dial it down a little bit. 1 to 1.5 ounce is a good starting point, and then you can turn it up from there based on how you're spraying it, how fast you're moving it, and walking and all that. The slower the pace you go, the more water it's going to put down with the soap. You're going to need the water to help get this soap down to the soil. If you can spray this in the rain or during a light rain, it's probably the best bet for you. But if you're not going to wait for the rain, which I don't think you should, but if you're not going to wait for the rain, or if it's not raining at all, what you want to do is kind of spray the soap down, and then go back and kind of spray it over a little bit more with just water. It doesn't take too much water, but if you spray it down with water afterwards, it's going to help get that soil. It's going to help get that soap deeper into the soil. If you have an irrigation system, it's going to help out a lot better too. On the front of the ortho dial-in spray, there are 3 different spray settings. I normally use the shower one if I want to make it a second pass, or if I want to get a little bit more shampoo to the ground quicker, then I turn it to the bird beak one. This one will help you get more water out to the ground. There's also a 3rd setting, but that's just a stream, and that's not really going to get you what you're looking for. So there you have it. So now that you're getting deeper in the soil with the water, the roots of your grass is going to want to grow deeper to consume that water that's deep into the soil. Deep, deep, deep. We all know deep roots make for a healthy lawn. This is somewhat of a cheap way to help keep your lawn green and also fix any spots in your lawn that seem to need more water than others. If this video helped you out in any way, please leave me a like and feel free to ask any questions in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you. What simple little tips like this have helped your lawn? I'd like to hear what you have to say. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing for more tech reviews, home automation, home and automotive how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.